Hey friends, if the mouse cursor is disappearing in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. This is a very weird issue, and there are no perfect solutions to this. I checked across forums. So, we will proceed with this procedurally. First of all, disable extensions on Chrome. So, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, and then select manage extensions. First, try disabling third party extensions that are not very popular, and then if it helps, then just remove them because they will cause problems in the future. The next one is to enable hardware acceleration. And how will we do that? Open Chrome and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select settings from the menu. Type the word acceleration, and we have this option here, use hardware acceleration when available. Turn this off and relaunch the browser. The next one is to reset Chrome. How will we do that? Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Now go to the reset settings tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select restore settings to the original defaults and reset settings. And obviously the last option is to reinstall Chrome. So we will close Chrome first of all. Then we'll search for Chrome in the Windows search bar. We'll click on this downward pointing arrow and we will uninstall it. So we'll click on the three dots here and uninstall. Now, the interesting thing with Chrome is that it is not available on the Microsoft Store since it is a conflicting software for Microsoft. So, we'll have to open the browser and search for Chrome download. Okay, and then you can scroll down and click on Chrome web browser, download Chrome, click on download Chrome, and then click on open. Let it save it. Okay, it will need a few seconds for that. And once the download is complete and it has been installed on the system again, it will definitely work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.